friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Moto in India, the Moto One Vision. So Moto One Vision is under the Moto One family, and this again comes with stock Android experience. It is under the Android One platform, but the important aspect of the Moto One Vision is that it comes with 21:9 aspect ratio for the display. That's kind of unique aspect ratio because generally we have seen 18:9 aspect ratio, and even it has gone up to 19.5:9 aspect ratio with the recent notch display. But here we have the punch hole display with 21:9 aspect ratio. That means we can get a cinematic like of experience with the Moto One Vision. So it has a 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display, and apart from this, device also comes with a 48 megapixel sensor on the rear panel. It also has a 25 megapixel selfie camera as well, and this is also having the Exynos 9609 octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 48GB internal storage. So that's the quick hardware of the Moto One Vision. So this is the box packing. You can see this has Android One mentioned. The box color looks quite similar to the Moto One Power launched last year, and the pricing is 19,999. And you can see the important specifications mentioned here. Android One 48 megapixel sensor. It's a quad pixel sensor with optical image stabilization and AI mode included. But remember, this is the Samsung's GM1 sensor, and it also has a 25 megapixel quad pixel front facing camera and a full HD plus resolution display, and 128GB UFS storage is included. So that's the Moto One Vision. It also has optical image stabilization included for the rear camera. Now this device comes in two colors. We have the blue variant, which is called the sapphire gradient is the blue variant, and the bronze gradient is the second color. So we have the bronze gradient with us, so we'll just do a quick unboxing. It also has the Dolby audio support included for the speakers. So let's get started with unboxing. So opening up the box, let's just take this out. So that's the Moto One Vision. So you can see that this is the bronze gradient color. You can see bronze color on the either side of the device, and it has a gradient color. Looks pretty good. We have the 48 megapixel sensor. You can also see the sensor mentioned here. 48 megapixel Sony's sensor. It's a quad pixel sensor. F-stop 1.7 aperture included, and this also has a secondary camera also included, and the front facing camera is a 25 megapixel shooter. So that's the highlight of the device. The secondary camera is a depth sensor. So we have the Android One logo also mentioned. The fingerprint scanner has the Moto logo. Dual LED flash is also included, and this is glass finishing. It's a 2.5D glass, so it looks really premium and really great in terms of the build quality as well. So this device has a 21:9 aspect ratio, and you can see that the device is slightly longer because of the 21:9 aspect ratio, and you also have the punch hole display included. So we'll talk about that in a while. So top panel does have the 3.5mm audio jack. That's something which is included. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit. The right side has the power and volume keys, and the left side houses the SIM tray. It's a hybrid SIM slot on this device. So that's the hardware. So let's boot the device, and we'll also show you what else comes inside the box. Now this device also comes with the case included in the box package, but since ours is a review unit, the case has not been included. Then you get the small box where we have the SIM ejector pin and the manual and warranty information. You can see that the readme information, all the details are mentioned here. Then you get the adapter. This is the fast charger. 15 watt adapter is included. As you can see here, 12 volt 1.2 ampere, that's the fast charging, or 9 volt 1.6 ampere, or even 5 volt 3 ampere. So these are the options. So it's a 15 watt charger, so there is fast charging included, and you also get the USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. So let's have a look at the device now. So now we have booted the Moto One Vision. So you can see that it's 21:9 aspect ratio. It's a tall device. Instead of the regular aspect ratio, we have this punch hole display with 21:9 aspect ratio. So you get the cinematic experience, and the software is the Android 9.0 out of the box. So we have the device under Android One platform. So you can see the system Android 9.0, and Moto One Vision is the device name, and you also get additional features like the Moto Experience. You can see Moto Actions and Moto Display options are included. So one button nav, a fast flashlight, then a 3-finger screenshot. These are some options which you have seen on Moto devices. So this device also comes with that options. So that's the software aspect. Now talking about the display, so this device comes with the 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display, and this device also comes with Gorilla Glass protection on the top panel, and the display quality as such looks good. You can see that the viewing angles are pretty good. The touch response also feels smooth, and the punch hole display looks really good, and you can also see that the colors are pretty much vibrant and feels nice when using the device. Now let's talk about the important aspect, the cameras. So we have the 48 megapixel Samsung GM1 sensor, and the camera UI has been redesigned, and there are lots of features included. You can see that portrait mode, cutout mode, spot color, night vision, cinemagraph, live filter, then we have slow motion time lapse option, then 4K video recording, optical image stabilization. There is also night mode on offer. So these are some options which comes with night vision is the option. We'll talk about that in our detailed camera review. So overall the camera definitely looks good in terms of the hardware being offered. It has a 25 megapixel sensor as well. It's a quad pixel sensor again, like the rear panel. We have the Samsung GM1 sensor on the rear panel. So that's the camera aspect. So here are some camera samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll be talking about the camera in detail, so stay tuned for our detailed camera review. Now the device comes with 3500 mAh battery capacity, and this should be quite good enough for a day of usage. It also comes with the turbocharging, as I said before, 15-watt turbocharging is included. So that's the battery capacity and details about the Moto One Vision. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Moto One Vision. So this device will go on sale on Flipkart on 27th of June. So that's the date when this device will go on sale for 19,999, and this looks like a solid offering in this price segment. And apart from that, this also comes with a 4GB RAM and 120GB storage. It comes in only one variant. It has 120 gigs of storage. And regarding the processor, as I said before, it's powered by the Exynos 9609 octa-core processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. That's the processor. Exynos is the Samsung's processor which has been used on this device. So we'll talk about the processor in our gaming review as well. So that's it for the unboxing of the Moto One Vision. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.